This video is sponsored by Kemimoto.
What's up, squids? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. So Kemimoto sent me out these Harley Davidson M8 mirrors to review. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back, we're gonna do the unbox, install, and come back to the first ride.
Okay guys, here's what's in the box. We got both mirrors, the left and right, the Kemimoto guide, and no tools. That's it.
Alright guys, for this install, you're gonna need a couple tools. You're gonna need a 13 and a 12. Now, the Harley Davidson mirrors come with a 13 or a ½ inch. Now this is a 13 for the Harley Davidson, and this is going to be the 12 for the Kemimoto. Now here's the difference between the Kemimoto and the Harley Davidson. Now the mirrors are about the same size. The mirrors are about the same size, but I call these stems. So the stems for Kemimoto are longer than the stems for the Harley Davidson. If you can look right here, you see they're actually longer. Now Harley Davidson only comes with one washer on the end and just this piece that is milled in to the whole entire stem. This one comes with this top piece. Let me unscrew it. So this one comes with this piece, which would be, I guess, similar to this one for this M8. So you put this on like this, and you put this washer on, and that's all you need for the M8, and probably a lock washer for the M8. Now, apparently this mirror fits different bikes. So maybe it fits probably a 1200. So maybe you need this spacer that goes in here for the 1200. And then you probably need one of these to keep it in place, and then the lock washer, and then the nut. So this mirror fits different bikes, but for the M8 you only need these two at the top and probably a spacer at the bottom. That's it. Here's the tools you need, the 12 and the 13. Let's go install the set. Okay guys, grab your 13 and start unbolting. 13 or ½ inch, I believe it's ½ inch. So this comes with this and a washer. Now remember that Harley has a silver nut and Kemimoto has a black nut. Now half of this stuff we're not going to need. Only need these two and the lock washer at the end. Lock washer and nut. So let's set this back up. There it is right here. Put this on. So we're going to finish install this and adjust the mirrors. Take her for a ride. Alright, beautiful. I think we may need to go out a bit more. Okay, that should be good right there. Alright, so it's installed. Let's head out for a ride and see how she looks. Get her over my shoulder. Looks nice, actually.
Okay guys, the right side mirror breaks down and installs the same way as the left side mirror. Now that we have these mirrors installed and we've taken it out for a ride, I actually prefer these mirrors over the stock Harley mirrors, and here's why. I am 5'10", and I can actually see over my shoulders or around my shoulders better with these mirrors than the Harley stock mirrors. And I attribute that to the fact that what I call the stems are actually longer, so they stretch out further and higher than the stock Harley mirrors. When you buy them, you be the judge for yourself.
I promise to give these away, man. If I didn't make that promise before, I would have kept these mirrors, because I kind of like these mirrors more than my stock mirrors. So I think I'm gonna have to go on Kemimoto.com and actually buy a pair of mirrors for myself. Yeah, because they got different kinds of mirrors on Kemimoto. Not only this, the stock looking version, they got some custom looking mirrors. They probably got the same stems, the same length as well. The fact that this comes out so far out really does it for me, because the stock ones are kind of shorter in and you can't really see. I see a lot of people complaining about seeing over their shoulders, and now I see what they mean, because I never really had an issue, because I just would do like this, but I don't need to anymore. I don't need to bend my shoulders anymore. I can just look right back and see with these mirrors. Wow, that's pretty cool. I never thought of that. Well guys, the install of these mirrors weren't that difficult. It's like one bolt, basically. You just unbolt it. Now, I mentioned in the unboxing that these, I call them stems, are longer on the Kemimoto than they are on the Harley Davidson. Now I believe these mirrors are for the M8s and probably for the 1200 Sportsters, the older ones. So you probably could put these on there as well. It does come with some kind of spacer washer, a long spacer washer for the inside. So you could probably use that, I guess, for the 12 Sportster. So these are actually longer. These actually go out a little longer, so they're actually further out this way. And to be honest, I can actually see a lot better with these mirrors than I could with my stock Harley Davidson mirrors. Now the mirrors do come logoed with Kemimoto on the inside, like right here. It does say objects in mirrors are closer than they appear, so look out for that. But guys, this is a simple install, unbox install video. It's not much to it. It's just mirrors. You just unbolt a bolt or two and install the mirrors. Pretty simple. So if you appreciate this video, man, look out for me to give away these mirrors on the channel. I'm going to give away these mirrors to one of you lucky winners. I personally don't need them, and you probably could use them. So look out for that, for these mirrors on this channel. Yeah, man, fall foliage. Holy crap! Just look at it. Woo! All right, guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you, man. Go pick your mirrors up from Kemimoto.com. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, boys.